How to fast forward Instagram Reels. Let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app and click on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, find the reel you want to watch faster. Scroll through and choose the one you would like to speed up. On the right side of the screen, you will see the icons to like, comment and share the reel. Above this icon, you will notice some empty space. This is important for what's coming next. Now press and hold on the empty space between the camera icon at the top and the like, share, comment option below. Once you do that, you will see a 2x message appear confirming that the speed has been successfully increased. However, make sure not to tap or hold the center of the screen. If you do, the reel will pause instead of speeding up. That's it. You are now all set to enjoy your reels at double speed.